Can I start? Yes. So basically, we are multicellular organisms. Animal kingdom. We are from animal kingdom. We are multicellular organisms. We have so many cells. You have so many tissues over there in our system. Uh, Broadly, these tissues are classified into four types. Okay, okay. Yes. One is epithelial tissue, and the second one is connective tissue, and the third one is muscular tissue, and the fourth one is nervous tissue. So basically, we are made up of broadly four tissues over there in our body system. Okay, what are they? Epithelial. Tell me, epithelial. You see me as a whole system. We have skin. It's like epithelial. It cover up the body, overall the body, outer layers and inner layers of the body. It's like epithelial one. And then go to into it, we have some connective tissue which connects the some organs. It's like a connection. It provides connection between one organ to another organ, one system to another system, which is connective tissue. And then we have five fingers. Okay, okay. We have big hand. Okay, all these are caused by muscle movement, muscular movement, right? So that we have muscle tissue. Okay, and then how you guys do walking or do talk, do whatever, do eat, whatever, what are the signals that are sent by nervous system, right? If there is no nervous system, there is no brain, there is no signaling towards you, then you can't do anything properly. So we have main system. What is that? Nervous system, which regulates our body by their, yes, by their impulse or signaling. By its signaling, they are impulses. It gives us a proper coding or a proper nerve stimulation or nerve impulse, which transmits throughout the body by neurons, neuronal system, nervous system. Okay, nerve tissue, which is which covers whole body, so that then you guys are respond to that stimuli and do whatever the thing is. Okay. Yes. So so that we have majorly four tissues. One is epithelial, and the other one is connective tissue, muscular tissue, and bone tissue. Yes. Am I audible? Yes. So that in epithelial tissue, the term itself have epithelium. It's like it has apical surface. Apical surface means it has open surface. Okay, it has open surface, and then it is it is of two types: simple epithelium and compound epithelium. One is simple, it means it has one layer, and then second one is compound which has many layers, multi layer. Okay, they are like more than one layer. Okay, okay. That what is the basic function of epithelium cells? Epithelial cells is that it protects us from the external stimuli, or protects our body organs, inner organs, by the friction. It's like it's a protective layer. Okay. Yes, it it covers all over body, all parts. It's like mouth. oral cavity. It is covered by, lined up by epithelial tissue. Okay. Okay. Yes. And our tubes, vasculatures, whatever they are, all inner membranes are made up of epithelial tissue. That is simple epithelial tissue. What is that? Simple epithelial tissue. Why it is simple? Because it has one layer in it. Okay. Yes. Yes. And then, based on the shape of a cell in the epithelial tissue, they are three of types. It's like one is squamous epithelial, squamous, and the second one is cuboidal, and the third one is columnar. Okay? Yes, yes. Squamous, cuboidal, columnar. Okay? Yes, yes. In the first term, squamous, which means it's a Latin originated term, which means scale. It's like a skin-like structure. It's like fishes are covered up by scales. Like okay, they are like scales. You know, scales. In stem modifications, also we are deal with scales. They are like leaf structures. It's like scale means squamous, which is like it's a one layer epithelial tissue. It is like a pavement. It's like it looks like a pavement. Okay, road pavement. Okay, okay, okay. And then second one is cuboidal. Cuboidal. In the term itself, it means cuboidal shape, cubical shape. Okay, in a square we have another square. It forms a cube. Okay, cuboidal one. Okay, and the third one is a columnar. It looks like a column. Okay, column. It's like column, cylindrical. It's a column. I'll show the image. Okay, so that these three are simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, as well stratified or compound squamous, compound columnar, compound cuboidal. Okay, these are two types. Okay, yes. So that I'll show the PPT. Okay, yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 1 minute. Yes. Animal tissues. These are of two types, right? One is epithelial, and the second one is connective tissue. Okay. Third one is muscular tissue, and fourth one is neural tissue. In epithelial tissue, what is the classification? Squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Here the pictures: simple squamous, simple cuboidal, and simple columnar. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So that what are the characteristics of epithelial cells? It's like they are they lined all over body. They are covering of our body, and it has free apical surface. It has open surface. It has free apical surface here. Here there is one basal. It's like 1 minute. Okay. One base and then free surface, that is apical surface, free apical surface. And what are the characteristics? It has regeneration capacity. It is regenerated. Okay, okay, guys. It is a vascular. It is a vascular, which means it doesn't have vessels in it. It means it doesn't show Whatever arteries, veins, and all these things. Epithelial tissue doesn't have vasculature. It's a vascular, okay, and it has no nerves. Okay, it has no nerves. Okay, guys. Okay. Yes. So these are the diagrams. I'll show by diagram. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. Here we go. Mm, yes. Here, this is the base. 1 minute. It is basement or pavement. These are the cells. Okay. These are epithelial cells, squamous cells. Those are nucleus. Those having nucleus. And those are having basement. This is basement. Okay. These cells are squamous cells, squamous epithelium, which are having nucleus. Okay. 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 And then they have little intermolecular space. Intercellular space is very little in it. Okay. Here space is very less. Okay. Okay. Yes. So they are mononucleated, and they have little intercellular space. Okay. 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 They have the capacity to regenerate. Regenerate. Okay. Yes. And they doesn't show nerves. Okay. Okay. And they don't have vasculature. Right. Yes. This is simple squamous. Okay. Yes. In case of simple cuboidal, does it means if you take this is like, which is cuboidal, right? This is a shape of cuboid. All cells are like cubicles. Okay. Yes. Also have nucleus at one level, base level. Okay. All the nucleus are at base level. They are positioned at the base of the cell. Okay. Okay. They are in cuboidal shape. Okay. Yes. And then third one is conical, columnar. They are like columns, elongated and cylindrical. Okay. These also having nucleus at the bottom. Some of the columnar cells having cilia. Cilia. Okay. These cilia, which is which is shown a movement, ciliary movement, which shows a movement which facilitates the movement of material, inner material. Okay. Okay. Some columnar epithelial cells are having microvilli. What are these? Microvilli. These microvilli are, they are increase the surface area of the cell. Okay, it increases the surface area so that it increases the absorption of the material. Okay. If you have more surface area, you can absorb more material. Okay. So that microvilli, that facilitates more absorption. Okay. By their increased surface area. Okay. Okay. Cilia, they show some movement over there. They facilitate the movement of inner material. Okay. Yes. Yes. If you think nose, inner part of nostrils we have cilia, or it's like some mucus is there now, mucosal membrane or mucus. In any situation we have mucus, it has some movement, right? Right. In, in our stomach also, some ciliary cells are there, some epithelial cells that produce mucus, and they resulted the movement of mucus, okay, by their cilia, okay. Yes, yes. So that these are simple ones, and then second one is compound. What do you mean by compound? Which has multiple layers. It's like if you see multiple layers over there in a tissue or um, in a system, you can see some stratified. It means it looks like a stratified, a division. It's like okay, yes. If there is one layer, there is no stratification. There is only one layer only, so that there is no stratification. If more than one layer is there, there is a stratification, right? So that they are stratified. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and then disease of epithelial cells. They 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 usually absorb absorb absorption of material they shown, and then they also shown secretions here secretions we have seen in digestive system. We have seen some digestive secretions. Those are of HCl, that is secreted by parietal cells, right? These parietal cells are also under epithelial cells. These covers up gastrointestinal tract, right? Okay. So that some secretions, some enzymes are secreted by epithelial cells. Okay. It absorbs some material, and it covers inner layers of inner layers of organs, right? Okay. and and these are of non-keratinoids, okay. These are like elastic in nature, these are smooth in nature. uh, they don't have keratin in it, okay. Okay, non-keratinoid, okay. It it protects one organ to another organ, okay. Okay, it is also shown as the exchange of gases, exchange of material, exchange of gases or materials, okay. Why? Because these cells are like very close to each other, right? They don't have that much of intercellular space, okay, space, okay. So that they they exchange material or they exchange gases very prominently, okay. It's obvious to them, okay. Yes, are you hearing? Yes, 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 yes. So okay. Then examples: stratified cuboidal epithelium present in sweat glands, salivary glands, and mammary glands. Okay, stratified squamous, esophagus, mouth, and vagina, and stratified columnar, urethra, and ducts of some glands. It's like male reproductory organs. Okay, okay. And the transitional epithelium which lines up bladder, urethra, uterus, okay. So these all are innermost parts of human system, okay. Sweat glands, salivary glands, mammary glands, and esophagus, mouth, vagina, all are okay, okay. These all are covered up by lined up by stratified cuboidal, squamous, columnar, and transitional epithelium. Okay. Okay. So these are the examples, and these are the here you see cell shape. It is squamous, and it is cuboidal, and it is columnar. Okay. Okay. This one is simple one, and this is stratified multi-layer. Okay. Yes. And then the second, the- and then the second one is connective tissue. Okay. Connective tissue of here. Yes, here. And the second one is connective tissue, which connects. That name indicates which means that it connects one organ to another organ. Okay, it's a connective tissue. Okay, okay. Yes, these are four types of connective tissues. One is bone, and the second one is liquid connective tissue, that is blood, and the third one is